Today's topic, I'm taking the female reproductive system. Female reproductive system consists of first primary sex organ. What is a primary sex organ? Yes, ovary. You know, pair one pair of ovary present in human. Okay. Now, secondary sex organ. Secondary sex organ consists of first accessory duct. What is the accessory duct? For example, fallopian tube. Second, uterus. Are you getting my point? Third, cervix and vagina. Okay, all are included in accessory duct and one accessory gland. What is that? Mammary gland. Okay, so and external genitalia. These all are the part of female reproductive system. So, beta, first of all, I am taking ovaries, primary sex organ. You know, ovaries. What are the function of ovary? Ovary produce female gamete ovum and two hormones. Are you getting my point? Which is estrogen and progesterone hormone secreted by the ovary, steroid hormone, estrogen and progesterone. Okay, and also formed ovum. Okay, now next, ovary present in abdominal cavity because temperature fit for formation of ovum. Ovaries are located one on each side of abdominal cavity. Yani it is almond shaped. It is located one on each side of abdominal cavity. Ovaries 2 to 4 centimeter in length and almond shaped, flattened. Ovary outer side developing filament is developing follicle is present in ovary outer side. So here developing ovarian follicle and in inner portion in ovary present stroma. Stroma present in inner portion. The outer portion developing follicles are present. Inner portion stroma. Listen me. In stroma, connective tissue present, developed follicles are present, and blood vessels. Stroma divide in two parts. Peripheral is called the cortex, and the middle portion is called medulla. Okay. Now I am taking second part, that is fallopian tube or oviduct. In human being, oviduct 10 to 12 centimeter in length and oviduct or fallopian tube 10 to 12 centimeter in length present I both side of uterus and connect with uterus. Okay, and it connect with uterus. Yes. Now, fallopian tube opening is wider. Fallopian tube, this is the fallopian tube. Fallopian tube opening is wider and this is called the infundibulum. Okay. In infundibulum, finger-like projections are present. These are called the fimbrium. What is the use of fimbrium? Fimbriae help in collection of ovum. During ovulation, what is the ovulation? Egg free from the ovum. Fimbriae, finger-like projection move and collect ovum from ovum. Okay. Fallopian tube lead in wider part. This wider part is called the ampulla. Okay. And last part of by which fallopian tube connect with uterus called isthmus. Okay. It is called isthmus. Now, listen me. Fertilization take place in ampulla. Yes. Now, next part I am taking. What is that? That is uterus. Uterus, bag-like structure, muscular, pear-shaped. Okay, attached with pelvic wall. Yes, and listen me. Uterus is surrounded by the three layer. Outer layer is called the perimetrium. The outer layer, perimetrium. Perimetrium, beta, protective in nature. Are you getting my point? It is a protective thin layer. And the middle layer is called myometrium. Myometrium. In myometrium, it is made up of the smooth muscles are present. During delivery, strong contraction present produced by myometrium with the help of smooth muscles. And innermost layer is called the endometrium. Endometrium, in which connective tissue, in which the gland and blood vessels are present. During menstrual cycle, cyclic changes take place in endometrium. Endometrium breakdown, again reform. Okay. Uterus, just a minute. Uterus continue in cervix and form the canal. This canal is called cervical canal. In uterus and it form the canal. This canal is called cervical canal. Okay. So this is the female reproductive part. Next topic I will take tomorrow.